One day, Thomas was puffing down the tracks, feeling happy, bright, and cheerful, as he always is on his branch home with Annie and Clarabelle. "Oh, what a lovely day, Annie and Clarabelle," he would say to them. "You sure are, Thomas. Every day is great on the railway," they would say. One day, today, it wasn't the same, because they had to make an extra long trip from Farquhar to Knapford Station, which is far, far away. Thomas was puffing faster than ever, faster and faster, just to get those passengers to reach their rut in time. When he reached there, the guard told him, "It's clear, you can puff now." And so he puffed away from the station, down the countryside, to the branch.